friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix black screen while gaming on Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, I will show you how to fix this problem. Just press 4 keys together, Windows Control Shift and B, and restart GPU drivers. After doing this, hope your problem will be fixed. If not, go to the edit power plan. You can see here edit power plan. In this, click on change advanced power setting. Here you select PCI Express, click on plus icon, then click on link state power management. In setting you should select off, then click on apply, click on OK. Then close this window, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix black screen while gaming in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.